these soft scrub in-tank toilet cleaner. These are the Sapphire water ones. They're blue. I keep these on hand because it's something simple to keep the toilets fresh without extra scrubbing. Each cube comes sealed. It's in a thin water-soluble wrapper. So there's the wrapper. You do not unwrap this. Do not unwrap it. Literally, you're just going to lift the tank, lift the back of the tank, flush your toilet, wait till the water goes down in the back of the tank, and then drop this next to the flush valve and the flapper. Within a couple minutes, and then walk away. Within a couple minutes, the wrapper is going to dissolve on its own, and within a few minutes later, the water is going to turn light blue, and letting you know that the cleaner has definitely started working. This definitely, it helps fight the toilet rings, the lime scale, the hard water buildup. So easy to use, just told you how. No handling of any cleaner directly. And this is going to last a couple weeks. So I always keep one of these on hand. Would I buy them again? Absolutely. I keep buying these. It's a quick, low-effort way to keep toilets looking clean and smelling fresh in between deeper scrubs. And the built-in wrapper dissolves, so it's even more convenient. You don't get your hands dirty. Reliable for long-term use, and I highly recommend.